Next, multi-million-pound restoration work is needed to protect a 19th century promenade from collapsing into the North Sea.
Investigations into Hunstanton's seafront revealed the vital concrete landmark and sea defence needs a major upgrade to save it for future generations. Structural problems have been caused by lowering beach levels and the repairs could take years, as Stuart Leiths reports.
Hunstanton became a popular seaside destination back in Victorian times, but it's been many decades since the prom was upgraded, and it's been pounded by people walking along it and also battered by the wind and tides. And now the council has decided that it's time to do some proper repair work. And I can speak now to Councillor Sandra Squire here on the prom. Sandra, just tell me exactly what's wrong with the prom.
The prom has a routine maintenance programme. We regularly monitor it. We have reports regularly just to monitor the condition of it because we're responsible for it. The most recent report has highlighted some issues that may be coming in the future, that if with beach levels dropping, it could be more of an issue. So this is a precautionary work. It's highlighting that we want to get the message out. The prom is not structurally hazardous. It is completely safe, but looking for the future, there are works that go over and above our normal maintenance programme. We spend a couple of £100,000 every year patching and repairing, and now it is time to actually do a very good job.
And I've spoken to traders and they say they're concerned about the disruption that this work could cause. What would you say to them?
We have spoken to the traders today to inform them of our plans, and we are very well aware of their concerns. We will be engaging with them going forwards to make sure that disruption is minimised as much as possible. The works will not all be done in one go. It will be a multi-year project so that we can move people about and put them. So we are very aware and will be working with them to alleviate those concerns.
Sandra, thank you very much. Well, I did speak to some traders earlier about this work being carried out on the prom, and this is what they had to say.
We're fighting for that pound in the people's pocket because of all the things that's going up, and we don't need disruption on this promenade, making it more awkward for people to come and disrupt in their day.
It's over 70 years old, so it does need a lot of repair work, and they've been doing patchwork for the past 5 years, which isn't up to standard really. But then at the same time, there will be disruption when we do make repairs. But I think if we work close enough with the council, we can do what we can to minimise that disruption.
Well, the work is due to start in 2027, and what the traders will be keen to get across to seaside visitors is that the prom will still be open for business.